In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ninja forms to Beaver Builder. By the end, you'll know how to prepare your plugins, choose or create a form, place it on a page using Beaver Builder, and verify everything works smoothly. First, make sure the essentials are in place. You need both Ninja Forms and Beaver Builder installed and active in WordPress. Head to your WordPress dashboard, open Plugins, and choose Add New. Search for each plugin by name, install, and activate them. If they're already installed, double-check they're active and updated to the latest versions to avoid compatibility issues. Next, create or choose the form you want to display. In your dashboard, go to Ninja Forms, then Dashboard. You can open an existing form if you already have one, or create a new form from a template. Keep it simple at first. Add the fields you need, like name, email, and message. Save your form when you're done, so it's ready to place on your page. Now let's add the form to a Beaver Builder page. Open the page where you want the form to appear, and click Edit with Beaver Builder. You have two convenient options. Option 1 is to use the Ninja Forms module, if it's available in your Beaver Builder setup. In the Beaver Builder panel, search for Ninja Forms, drag the module onto the page, and select your form from the dropdown. This approach is quick and often gives you helpful styling controls right in the module settings. Option 2 is to use a shortcode. In Beaver Builder, add an HTML or a text editor module to the spot where you want the form. Paste the form's shortcode into the module's content area. You can copy the shortcode from the Ninja Forms dashboard for the form you created or selected. This method works reliably even if you don't see a dedicated module. When you're satisfied with the placement and layout, save and publish your changes. Use Beaver Builder's Done or Publish controls to push the updates live or save a draft if you're still reviewing. Finally, preview and test. View the page on the front end, scroll to the form, and try submitting a realistic test entry. Confirm you see the success message, and if you've configured notifications, verify the confirmation email arrives where expected. If something looks off, return to Beaver Builder to adjust spacing or alignment, or revisit the form in Ninja Forms to tweak fields and settings. Once everything checks out, your form is live and ready for visitors.